Hey, Trevor. Okay. Um, Sorry, there's some noise in the background here. Okay, so I think hopefully you understand how to get the LCD, but the LCD is going to be x, and then we need an x minus 1, and then 1, but anything times 1 is just 1. So that's going to be our LCD, and I'm just going through this in case you didn't get this part. So we need, in this first one, we have x, but we don't have x minus 1. So we need to multiply our numerator by x minus 1, as well as the denominator. But remember that all of our denominators are going to LCD when we're done, so I'm not going to worry about those. Okay, then the 2 needs to multiply by the x, because it is missing the x. It has the x minus 1. And then this 2 is missing everything, so we have to multiply that 2 by everything. Okay, so distributing the 3, we get 3x minus 3 plus 2x, whoops, plus 2x, sorry about that. And then that is equal to 2x squared minus 2x. Okay, 3x and 2x is 5x, and we still have the minus 3. So next step is to combine like terms. So what I'm going to do is subtract 5x, which I think is what you did. Then I would get negative 3 equals 2x squared minus 7x. And then I'm going to add the 3 to both sides. So I would get 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Okay, so I have my quadratic, and now I just need to factor and solve it. All right, I'm going to use my x method, and in the top I'm going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. In the middle, I'm going to get 7. Okay, what times what is 6? That adds to be negative 7. Well, negative 6 times negative 1 gets us positive 6, and negative 6 plus negative 1 will get us negative 7. All right, so now we know how to split up our middle term. We split it up into negative 6x and minus 1x. We still have the plus 3, and we still have the 2x squared. But now I have my two groups that we were talking about before. So what can I factor out of this first group? Looks like I can probably factor out a 2 and an x, which leaves me with x minus 3. And in this group, I can factor out a negative 1 in order to turn this into x minus 3 as well. Okay, we're down to our final group here and here. Then x minus 3 is the same in one group as it is in the other. So we will pull out an x minus 3, which leaves us with a 2x and a minus 1. If we set each one equal to 0, so I'm going to do x minus 3 equals 0, solve for x, I would get positive 3. And then I'm going to do 2x minus 1 equals 0, so add 1 to both sides. That leaves me with 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 1/2. Okay, I'm pretty much done. The only thing that I would want to do would be to check on my original equation, and let's do that, and make sure that my answers, which were, they're down here, I gotta scroll down, 3 and 1/2, 3 and 1/2. All right, let's go back again, sorry. So 3 is okay, it doesn't give me division by 0. 1/2 is also okay, it doesn't give me division by 0. So my answers would be 3 and also 1/2. So hope that helped.